I found this old garden bench on the side of the street for free, so I decided I want to restore it. The bench is probably 100 years old and all the boards are in quite rough shape. I think these are not the first boards on the bench, and also I don't really care about originality, so I decided I will replace these boards with newer, larger ones, like these. But let's start first with the dismantling. First I had to dismantle or unscrew all the old boards, which wasn't so easy actually. They used these old type single slotted screws, and the slot was already covered with several layers of paint, and also they were quite rusty, so it was not so easy to remove them. What takes me 20 seconds here actually took me around, let's say, half an hour in reality. As I already said, I don't care so much about originality, so I will not use these kind of screws again. I will use normal screws, which you can unscrew again. But here you can see the several layers of paint. I think the bench has been white in the first place. Okay, now just the backboard is left over, and as you can see, it has a special kind of shape with rounded edges, and I think this is typical for benches from the time, I think it's called Art Nouveau or something like that. In Germany we say Jugendstil, but I guess it's called Art Nouveau. Let me know in the comments if you know more about this kind of bench, if how old it could be or from what time it could be. Okay, I remember these screws were the toughest one to lose, and yeah, I think one or two broke. And retrospective, when I rewatched the video, it actually looks kind of dangerous what I did. If I slipped with the screwdriver, it could have ended badly, but yeah. Yes, so don't work like me. Don't be stupid. But in the end, I could lose all of them and proceed with the next step. The boards I used were some kind of pine tree. It's called Douglasie, and in English I think it is Douglas fir or something like that. I could get them pretty cheap locally, so I used them. They just had a few bad spots, so I had to cut them out left and right. After cutting them, I wanted to round the edges, and I used a router with a bit, or what's it called? Rounding bit or rounding router. Additionally to the machine, I hand sanded them as well, because I did not want any splinters or rough areas close to my bum. So yeah, a little bit of handwork as well here. So this bench is just for the garden, so I decided I will not grind it down to the blank metal. So I decided I just lose all the loose paint. There were just a few parts rusty and had loose paint. So I wire brushed the bench, and that was it with preparation for painting. For painting I used this anthracite hammerite stuff, the expensive paint. I had quite good experience with this on several areas of in my garden, so I reused this one. It's all in one, I guess, foundation and final coating. Not foundation. What is the English word for that? Primer, I guess. Yeah, primer. It's the word. Foundation is something different. I did a couple of years back, but not with paint. Okay, the next step was to paint the boards, and for this paint I decided to use a bright green, bluish kind of turquoise paint, which they had to mix in the DIY shop, and the price was about the same like the hammerite stuff. What do you think about the color? I think it suits the dark anthracite quite well, and it looks quite fresh in the garden. Let me know. Okay, all in all, I think this project cost me around 50 euros. It was around 17 euros for the paint, also 18 euros for the hammerite paint, and the rest was wood, screws and stuff I had laying around here, so I didn't have to pay for it. So 50 euro for an old bench is a good price, I think. It's probably also more stable than the new benches you can buy in the supermarket or DIY shops. Now we come to the last part, the fun part, assembly of the boards to the bench. Since the boards I used were a little bit wider than the original ones, I had to use one board less than before. But since the bench is so old and probably hasn't seen its first decking or its first boards, there were so many holes, so I could find some holes for my boards without screwing or without drilling new holes. I used normal wooden screws with a Torx head, 4.5 millimeter times 20 or 25. Nothing special here. It's just for the garden. It will probably hold for 10 or 20 years, no problem. All in all, this project took me around 2 or 3 hours of work. Half an hour unscrewing the old boards, maybe 20 minutes of grinding or wire brushing the bench, the metal, then painting, probably the longest, was maybe 1.5 hour just painting, and the assembly, it was pretty fast. Maybe 3 hours all in all for this bench, and I have to say it is really comfortable. So the shape of the boards and the shape of the bench fit fit really well. I like it. It's a two-seater bench, and I really can't imagine why somebody would throw it away. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, so but I was lucky I could find it and make it like new again. Okay, finished. Let's try. Nice, fits. Also looks good, in my opinion. Not so bad. I liked. Fun little project for the weekend.